So today I'm gonna be using this Clinique Even Better Glow Foundation, and I'm gonna go through my face very quickly and then we'll start with the eye makeup. So I'm gonna mix my foundation with this Drunk Elephant De Bronzy, and I think it's very pretty. Like it's like a bronzer in a bottle, so it gives me like a little bit of tan. And next we're gonna conceal our under eye and my like blemishes. And today I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. The shade I'm using in medium. For my bronzer, I'm gonna be using Nude Stick Bondi Bay, and I just got this recently from the Sephora VIP sale, and this is brand new. I'm very excited to try this because I've been having like an eye on this for quite a long time, and finally I decided to buy it. And here's the color. I wanna like swatch it on my hand. I always start my brow with like a brow powder, something like this, to like create like a guideline for me first, and then I'll follow up with the pencil. So for the brows, I've already applied the brow powder, and I'm going to try to like uplift my brow a little bit. Like, I don't normally do that, but we're gonna try this today. I always like do my brows as my natural brows are. The Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara to my brows. I think it's really like uplift my brows, and it's cheap as well. So I want to use this one because it has like a different shades of brown, and yeah, I'm gonna try that. So I think I want to use this shade all over my lid as a base. I'm gonna use this shade here, brush. Shade like a little bit darker from the previous color. We're gonna like layer the color up from lighter to darker. So I've just applied this shade. So went like this. This is my first shade, and then this is my first shade, and I use this shade, and then I move to think we're done with the eyeshadow, I think. But I'm gonna apply like this shade that we applied to our lid earlier, just a little bit. So next I'm gonna apply the eyeliner. I'm gonna use the brown eyeliner today, but you can use black, depends if you like want it to be a little bit more dramatic, but I'm gonna use brown today. I'm really gonna focus on the outer corner. Yeah, like that, not too much. Gonna apply like the outer corner of my eye only. And we're gonna apply the bottom lashes a little bit. And I really like this mascara. I'm using this mascara from which is a Thai brand. Not too much because you don't want your eye to look dully in this. So I think you can add some FOXY if you want to. Just focus on the outer part of your lashes. But today I'm not gonna be using one. I just want to do like a FOXY eye look that you can like wear every day. So for this look, I think you can just add more if you like want it to be like a little bit more cat eye effect. So I think the eyes are complete and I'm going to finish my face makeup. We can see the finished look of this. So the bronzer I'm going to be using today is from Fenty Beauty. I'm using the shade Caramel Cutie. So for the blush, I'm gonna be using the Milani blush in Bellissimo Bronze because I want to focus the look on the eye, not too much for the face. Like, so I'm gonna apply this bronze shade to like match with our bronzer. The highlight I'm gonna be using today is Becca in Champagne Pop. Shade Buffy, and I've just applied